Okay, so when you guys are measuring lengths in centimeters, this will be decimals. And the division size on a centimeter ruler is always the same. It's 0.1. So that means you have to record all lengths to the hundredths place. Okay? So you're either going to be a 0 or a 5 in the last decimal place. You had better write this down. Okay? I won't be checking things for you. You'll have to refer to your notes when you're doing labs and you're making measurements. Okay, that's the whole point of me teaching you this, so that you have notes to refer back to. I'm trying to teach you how to be successful in science classes, okay? Now, inches. Inches is a different system of measurement. It's an English system. This is fractions. You will have 16 divisions, but your answers will be in 16ths or 30 seconds, and that is it. It's 16ths when you fall on one of the divisions. It's a 30-second when you're in between. I'll show you how to get that, okay? So let's take a look at your determining length practice worksheet. Again, it's 2 sides. Okay, I'm going to take a look at the side with 7 problems on the front, okay? So when you guys take a look at number 1, you've got a centimeter ruler. We've got 44 centimeters. There will be 10 divisions, like this. What's your division size? 0.1. Okay, so that means your length has to go how many places past the decimal? 2. Because your division size goes 1 place past the decimal, you have to go 1 more. Okay, you're falling in between the last division and the 45. So that means your length would be 44 point what? 95. Yeah, this is 0.1, 0.2, 3, 4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. So 0.9, and you put a 5, so you're certain to the 9 where the 10th place is. Your estimated digit is the 5, and then you put centimeters on the end. Okay? If you fell on the division, it would just be 44.90. Okay? All right. Do I need to do 1 more of those, or you understand that? 1 more? Take a look at number 2. For number 2, you've got 74 to 75. So here's 74. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divisions. And then you're falling on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're falling right here. Your division size is 0.1. And then your length would be what? 74.80. Yeah, 74.8, because you're falling on that 8th line. And then you add a 0 after that for your estimated digit. You are certain to the 10th place. The 0 is your estimated digit, and you put centimeters on the end. Okay, so all lengths in centimeters go 2 places past the decimal. Now, let's take a look at inches. Can I erase this? Okay, so for inches is a little bit different. So let's take a look at number 3. We've got 1 to 2 inches. We've got 16 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're falling on the 5th division. So you guys are falling here. Okay. There is no division size. Okay. So since you're falling on the 5th division, this would be 1 5/16 of an inch. You do not simplify it or anything. Your answer will always be a 16th like it is here, or a 32nd if you fall halfway between, and I'll show you what that looks like. Take a look at number 4. For number 4, we're going 15 to 16 inches. You're falling, this is the 8, 9. You're between 9 and 10. So you're falling, I know it's a bad drawing, but you're falling here in between the 9th and the 10th division, okay? When you fall halfway between, this would be 15 and 9.5/16. But I just told you that you can't have decimals in inches. So the way that you get rid of this is you're going to multiply the top and the bottom fraction by 2 every single time to get rid of the 0.5. This will give you 15 and 19/32. This is what I mean by your answer will either be a 16th or a 32nd, but nothing else. Do not simplify the fraction. You leave it. Easy? Easy enough. Okay, so I want you to finish the rest of this worksheet. Finish the rest of the front. So do 5, 6, and 7. And then let's go over those answers, and then you have the back to do for practice. I've also got some centimeter rulers that I can give you to practice with on the bottom, okay? Okay, we ready to check these? Okay, for 5, what did you put for the decimal form at first? 21 and then what? 8.5/16. So to get rid of that, what do you do? Yeah, multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So you're going to get 21 and 17/32 of an inch. We all agree on that? Okay. And then for number 6, your division size here is? Yep. Okay. And then your length? Yeah, you fell on the 3rd division, so it's 0.3. And since you are certain to the 10th place, you would add an estimated digit on the end. And since you fell on one of the lines, you would add a 0. If it had been halfway between, it would have been a 5. And then for number 7, we've got 1 and what? 14/16 of an inch. And you do not simplify it, you leave it. Okay? All right. Any questions on this? Okay, so you will have a quiz on this, volumes and lengths next time. Okay, so volumes in milliliters, reading graduated cylinders. Lengths will be inches and centimeters. Okay?